In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Figma design directly into your Squarespace website. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical design and website tips. Let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. To start off, open up your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you'd like to see your Figma design come to life. Once you've landed on the right page, it's time to click on Edit so you can begin the customization process. This menu is where the magic happens, allowing you to mold and shape your website exactly to your liking. To start with a fresh canvas, add a new section by clicking on Add Section and selecting a blank section. By choosing a blank section, you're setting yourself up with a clean slate, ensuring your Figma design won't be encumbered by pre-existing elements or distractions. Once you've established your blank section, you'll need to integrate an embed block. To do this, simply click on Add Block and choose the Embed option from the list. This block will serve as the vessel for your Figma design, ready to bring your creative vision directly onto your web page. Next, let's switch gears and move over to your Figma project. Open up the specific design you wish to embed. This is your chance to make any last-minute tweaks or final touches to your masterpiece. Once your design is primed and polished for embedding, you'll notice a Share button located at the top right of the Figma window. Click on Share and select Get Embed Code from the drop-down options. This step is crucial as the embed code is your key to transferring your design from Figma to Squarespace. With the embed code now in hand, don't forget to copy it to your clipboard so it's ready to use in Squarespace. Now head back to your Squarespace site. In the embed block where you prepared to welcome your Figma design, you'll find an option labeled Edit Code Snippet. Click on this and paste the embed code you copied earlier. Once you paste that code and close the editor, you'll witness the block refresh, and just like that, your Figma design will visually manifest right on your page in real time. It not only looks seamless, but maintains the interactivity designed into your Figma project. And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've managed to smoothly incorporate your Figma design onto your Squarespace site, bridging creativity and functionality. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.